Yeah, just a quick one then. So, Josh X gave me this a long time ago, and it works for any kind of age whatsoever. My son's done it, I've done it. So you've got find the best place you can get. What we got, dude? Find the best place you can get your natural organic honey. Yeah, you can. That don't supplement their breaker 19. Find the best place you can get your honey you can that don't supplement their bees, even in winter. Like you need it. You need this 100% as natural and as organic. I know that word's gonna crumble and die soon, so you know what I mean. Yeah, so as warm as you can drink it. He's had a really bad cough and a cold, and it went within 2 days straight away. As warm as they can have it. Honey, lemon, ginger. That's it. As easy as that. That's the best remedy I've ever found. Raw garlic, of course, will do that. So, is really good for so many things. Even though it's apparently a GMO thing, but I don't know. It's worked for me. So what can we say? Don't go to your doctors. That's what we don't want to do. Because once you end up there, you'll end up with a stack of tablets as long as your arm. So, yeah. Raw, natural, honey, ginger, lemon. That's it. Cheers. Thank you. Sorry about that. Love you all.